to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So I know y'all read the title, so you already know what this video is gonna be about. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my second channel. The link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to my second channel. Smash that subscribe button for your boy. So I went to sleep without a do-rag last night on purpose because I wanted to make this video for you guys. Alright, so this video is basically gonna be how to wash your 360 waves without losing any progress, because I be getting a lot of DMs, a lot of messages saying that, oh, I did a washing style and I lost progress. So I'm gonna show you guys what to do to not lose progress. So what you'll need is a towel so you won't get wet. You're gonna need 2 do-rags to double compress, or a do-rag and a wave cap. However you choose to double compress, you're just gonna need to double compress. You're gonna need a medium brush. I don't use this brush no more, so I just use it to wash. Medium brush. And you're gonna need a detangling shower brush. If you don't have this one, you can use one with a handle. This is a Red by Kiss shower brush. Alright. So either one is good. But I prefer this one when I have longer hair, like when I'm really wolfing. This one, I have short hair right now, so I'm gonna use this one. Next thing you're gonna need is shampoo. I need shampoo. And I'm not gonna condition my hair as I wash, because I like to let my hair dry first, then I condition after my hair dries. A lot of people condition their hair after they put the shampoo and stuff, but I feel like I don't get my hair to be as laid as I wanted to when I do that, so that's why I don't condition while I'm doing my wash. Alright, so that's basically all we need to get started with this video. So without further ado, let's get it.
Damn, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
When you do with your hair, first thing you want to do is this. Before we put the shampoo in your hair, I want to tell you, you want to wet your hair with warm water, because you want to let your pores open so the shampoo can do what it does and clean everywhere. All right. Alright, so guys, if you want to get maximum wash, what I prefer you to do is to take your detangling shower brush, add a little bit of shampoo in it, and just scrub, scrub your hair. If you want to really clean everywhere, get a perfect clean, and actually really scrub. Just do this, but you need to do it with this though, because this is much easier than with this. And now when it comes to rinsing your hair, you're gonna rinse your hair with cold water, because you can open it back up later with the hot towel method. So I'm just gonna rinse my hair with cold water, because it's just like, I don't need my pores open right now, so I'm just closing. Okay, so now guys, now that you've rinsed your hair out, this part right here is very important, because if I try to brush my hair down from this after it dries, it's gonna be really hard to lay it down. Okay, so what you would need to do is you're gonna take a detangling shower brush, and you wanna add a little bit of shampoo to your hair. I say a little bit because now that you got all the dirt and dandruff and products out of your hair, it'll be easier to foam up. It'll be easier because your hair is really it's clean right now. All right, so just watch. So I just put this much. Remember the first time I put a lot, right? Not this much. is gonna go a long way, watch. It foams up really quickly because your hair is clean at the moment. If I would did it like this the first time, it would not work because I had so much product build up in my hair and everything. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more because I want it to be foamier. So just like that. I like to start with my crown. So what I do is I just go like this. And just try to get my crown into place with my hands before I go in with the brush. All right, now I take the detangling shower brush. I wet it, and this is detangling my hair, getting it ready for this, because I'm gonna brush my hair. I'm gonna have a brush session with this brush, with the shampoo in my hair. All this is doing is detangling my hair. If your hair is not foaming up as well, you could definitely add more shampoo, which is what I'm gonna do in a couple of minutes. Try not to get the shampoo in your eyes because it's gonna burn. So I'm gonna take my brush, I'm gonna wet it. Now my brush is wet, it's a little damp. Take the shampoo, add a little bit into my palm, and boom. Now my hair is a little bit easier to handle. It's a little bit straighter back into its pattern. I'm gonna rinse off my hands. So now, what I like to do, right? I take the tip of the brush. I like using curved brushes because of this right here. Take the tip, and I start with my crown. You know, I gotta get my crown into place before I get to everywhere else. Like I said, if your hair is not foaming up, you could definitely add more shampoo. But you don't have to kill it because there's really no products in your hair, so you don't need as much. But you can definitely add a little bit more. Add some water if you want to the brush, and boom, it's gonna foam up even better. There you go. You can see it's happening. It's foaming up. You know, just get your crown into place. Y'all can see it's foaming up, right? There you go. That means you're doing it right. Now the fun begins. You can switch hands, do your other side. Make sure you're not going too fast because you want to see what you're doing. If you're not a pro at this, go slow. Make sure you get your crown area perfect and just not mess everything up. Like so. Alright, once you finish with your crown area, I would advise you to just vertical brush and not just regular brush like this. I want you to vertical brush, okay? So like this. Because when you vertical brush, you get a better pull. Like I said, if you don't like the way it's foaming up, you could add more shampoo if you want. Or if you don't want to add too much shampoo, you can add a little bit of water so you can activate it. Add some water to the brush if you don't want to kill your hair with shampoo. Just Alright, so when you brush, guys, I'm gonna fast forward this, but when you brush about approximately 10 minutes, okay? About 10 minutes. And then when you get your hair to lay as good as you want it to lay down, put your do-rag on. I'm gonna just show y'all, so yeah. Now that you're done brushing, just add a little bit more shampoo. Now what you're gonna do, right? Wet your hand and just go like this. Now this part is important, so you have to do this part, all right? Now this is gonna lay your hair down. I'm gonna just go over like this. Just like that. after you do this, you wanna hop in the shower, because when you get in the shower, you rinse your hair more thoroughly than you would just, go under the water and just rinse your hair. I feel like if you shower, you're just gonna rinse your hair perfectly. Okay, so guys, it's been about 2 hours, I didn't want to wait the whole 3 hours to show you guys the results. So what I did was I rinsed my hair and I actually double ragged. I double compressed so I could maximize the lay down. So what I'm gonna do now is just unrag for you guys to show you guys the results of the wash and style. It might not be perfect because there's no products. I didn't put any brush session in or nothing like that. So what I'm gonna do now is just unrag and I'm gonna moisturize my hair. But I'm not gonna moisturize my hair in this video. I'm gonna save that for another video. What I'm gonna use to moisturize my hair are these products right here. Alright, so just butter / moisturizer by 216 Wavy and castor oil. This is all I use to moisturize my hair. You want to get your butter / moisturizer. The link is down in the description below. It's gonna take you over to the website. If you don't want to pay full price for this, use my discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off. So yeah, that's for my moisturizing method. So I'm just gonna unwrap for you guys to show you the results. Alright, so this is the end result of the wash and style. No products in, just dry and natural, man. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I helped you guys out on how to wash your hair and not lose progress. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.